Hello everyone, this is Rakshit Raj, and today we are going to solve the question number 1281. So the question is subtract the product and sum of digit of an integer. So given an integer number n returns the difference between the product of its digits and the sum of its digits. So the question says that there will be a number n that is given, and we have to multiply each of its digit and also add each of its digits, and in the result we have to return uh, product value and the difference of the product and the sum value. So we can see the example, that is if the number is given, that is 234, so its output will be 15. How it happens, that is the product of its digits, that is 2 into 3 into 4, that is 24, and the sum of its digits, that is 2 into 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 9, and the result is 24 minus 9, that is 15, and that is what we are returning. And we can see the same in the example number 2, that there will be the product of all of its digits and the sum of all of its digits, and the result, that is the difference between the product value and the sum value. So what we are going to do here is that first we will split the number and store each digit of this number in a variable, and then we'll do the product as well as the sum, and then we'll return the difference. So how will the logic will be? So first of all, uh, we'll have two variables, that is product and sum. We'll initialize this, and the product's initial value will be 1, and then we'll have another variable sum which have the value 0. So now we'll have a loop, in which we'll say n is greater than 0, so that the loop continues until the number ends. Then first we will write the logic how we'll split the number. So we'll initialize a variable, that is digit, which will store each digit of the number. So we'll write like n modulo 10, and then so what this two thing will do, that it every time the loop runs, the digit will store the last value of the last digit of the number. That is, if the number is 32, uh, it will store 4, because n modulo 10 is n modulo 10 in this example 234, it will store 4, and then afterwards n divide is equal to 10, that will remove the last digit of the number, and the updates the number updates the value of n, that will be 23 in the case of example 1. So these two logic will help us to split the number, and after splitting the number we'll write the logic of the product and the sum. So we'll write like this: product So every time the digit will have the last number of the last digit of the number will do the product as well as the sum, and then this will return the new number in which the last number is being removed, and again the cycle continues until the number is n. And then at last we will return product minus sum. So here is the whole code, and we'll see that it is passing all the test cases, and there has been error. Okay, now it will pass all the test cases. Okay, so here was the code, and that's all for this question. Thank you.